Okay, so let's continue from where we have left in the previous lecture. So now that once we have all these fields set up over here, let's go ahead and also add a button over here which is going to allow us to view the details of these items. So what I will do here is that I'll simply go ahead and instead of creating a button, I'll just go ahead and use an ahref tag over here, and in here I'll just assign the class for this as btn. So I'll type in btn, which is going to be a button class, and this is going to make this link look like a button. And for the color, let's say we want green color, so the bootstrap class you want to use for that is going to be btn-success. And now let's go ahead and type in details over here. So now once you go back and hit refresh, as you can see, now you have this button over here which says details. But right now these buttons actually do nothing. That is because we have not yet added any code to them. But now let's go ahead and add in some code so that this respective buttons are going to redirect us to these respective item details over here. So for that, you already know that we had previously added this code right here, which is the food detail and the item ID. So let's go ahead and simply cut this from here and let's paste it right over here. And now once you go ahead, save the code, everything should work fine. So now if I hit refresh and when I click on details, as you can see, now we are redirected into the details page of the respective items right over here. So we have simply replaced the usual normal link which we had with the detail button over here. So nothing special in that. So now once we go ahead and do that, let's also go ahead and replace these images with actual food images. So as you all know, we had actually used one of these images right here. So what I will do is that I'll just go ahead and copy that image for now. And what I will do here is that I'll simply go to the admin panel and I'll just go ahead and edit these images out. So I'll paste the new image link over here, save the changes so that all of them actually have a food image. So I'm using the same image for each one of those items, but you can go ahead and use other images if you want to. As you can see, when I go ahead and hit refresh, now we actually have an image for pizza over here on the food items. So that means we have successfully implemented the functionality of adding images and making our index page look much more better. Now there are a bit of formatting issues over here which we are going to go into in the upcoming lectures, but for now this would work fine for us. So now in the next lecture, what we will do is that we'll try to go ahead and also add the image over here to the detail view right here. So thank you very much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.